Hi guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What. Today we are going to do a summer wreath featuring a pineapple. So I didn't do a regular introduction today because this tutorial is super duper short. All of the material is from the Dollar Tree and it's really simple. It takes like 10 minutes at most because I kept the top of the wreath with the tinsel still on it. So basically you're just going to put some flowers in the middle parts of the wreath cutout. So I made sure to put the glue on the back part of the sunflower where there was a plastic part so that it would easily glue to the back of the frame of the pineapple wreath. And this made it easier for me to stagger the flowers how I wanted them to look to make it look full. So you can just play around with it to make it look how you want it to look and how full you want it to look, but I did one flower basically for each little hole of the wreath there was, and that was full enough for me. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, make sure you click the bell so you're notified each time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.